Okay, so part B of number 91 asks what amperage is required to plate out 0.250 moles of chromium from a chromium plus 3 solution in a period of 8 hours. And so it's just like 91A except backwards. And so in this one, I'll just write the parts backwards right here. So the first part would be convert to moles. So if they didn't give us moles, like for example, let's say they give us grams, we would need to convert that grams to moles. And so this part's really easy because they tell us that there are 0.250 moles of chromium already. So there's no math to do. Just be ready that they might give you grams and you have to go to moles. Then the next step is to use the balanced chemical equation to get to moles of electrons. So I'll just write down balanced equation. And so in this one, I have 0.250 moles of chromium. And for every 1 chromium, from right here on the balanced half reaction, there are 3 moles of electrons that are transferred. So take 0.250 times 3, which I think is 0.75. Is that right? Can you guys check and make sure that that's what I have? Yeah. Step number 2 then, or going backwards, now I use the Faraday. Because I use the Faraday to get to coulombs of charge, because eventually I want to get into this American Chemical Society triangle to find amps right here. And an amp is a coulomb per the number of seconds that it takes. They give us hours here, but we can convert that to seconds. And so I have 0.75 moles of electrons, and for every 1 mole of electrons, there are 96,485 coulombs of charge right here, the Faraday constant. 96,485 coulombs. So take my 0.75 and then multiply that times the 96,485. And can you check my math, please? Did you guys get 72363.75 coulombs of charge? Okay, and then lastly, I'll call it step 1 because it was step 1 there. I have to use the American Chemical Society triangle right here to look for amps because that's what it's looking for. And amperes are equal to coulombs per second, and my coulombs are the 72363.75 coulombs. And my seconds, that's going to be a unit of time, which I'm given 8 hours right here. And in each 1 hour of the world, there are 3,600 seconds. And so I'm going to do 8 times 3,600, and I'll get the bottom here to make sure I don't make a mistake. So I got 28800 seconds right here. Can you check that, please, on your calculator? And then 72363.75 divided by my answer. I got 2.5 to 2 sig figs, to 3 sig figs, it would be 2.51 amperes or amps. Did that math work out okay? Did you guys get that? Okay, thank you. There is number 91.